Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Three Little Birds on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the 3 simple chords needed for the song. Focus on placing your fingers firmly behind the frets to get clear notes. Practice switching between these chords slowly at first, ensuring each change is clean and precise. This foundation is absolutely key to playing the song smoothly. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple down-down, up-up-down-up pattern works perfectly for this tune. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and try to maintain a steady tempo. Remember, consistency in your rhythm is far more important than speed. A light, gentle strum will give you that authentic, laid-back reggae feel. Now, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure. Three Little Birds primarily uses a repeating chord progression for both the verse and chorus. Start by practicing each section individually until you feel comfortable. Then, gradually increase your speed. Using a metronome can greatly help in keeping your timing accurate and consistent as you play through the entire song. Finally, it's time to play along. Once you're comfortable with the chords and strumming, try playing with the original recording or a simple backing track. Don't be afraid to sing along as you play. It helps with timing and makes the experience more enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, but having fun is the most important part of learning any song on your ukulele.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.